That's right, man. When I'm recording, I'm usually watching the vehicle. My gimbal just kind of
follow your hand.
Yeah.
What if the person picking up the truck?
Done. That's right. Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Perfect.
Simple and easy.
At the tone. Slow and steady wins the race. You better hammer down, coming towards yourself.
Get it.
Give it. Good finish. At the tone.
Get it more. Get it.
Oh!
That was the best
one.
run so far. The clean run.
Look at this, look at this.
Send it.
Oh!
That was good. That was
That
good.
one's going to be super close at the end there. Mr. Beat the Creek. Oh. It's still on.
Get it.
Nice. Give it more finger. More finger.
Get it.
Give it all the finger. That's what I'm talking about.
What the heck? I'm still on the team then. I'm safe.
Almost nothing over there.
Oh, he's over.
Get it.
I think he's done.
You're still racing the clock.
Good run. Did you see the jump over here? It almost doubled it.
Come stand in the intersection, Kirby.
Get it. Drive that thing.
That was clean.
That's a winner chicken dinner.
You got it.
Climb on that one.
Ask somebody use it. Well, we'll see who clears this point. Okay. No timers. I'm ready.
Oh.
The drivers, are you ready? At the sound of the tone.
Oh!
You're still up.
All right, it's a big air competition now. If they can go straight. Woo! There we go.
Go ahead and
Perfect.
finish.
Hey, which truck do you want? The one you just won with or my racing stripe? Okay, perfect.
If you're still watching, you are top shelf. You are the cream of the crop, the pick of the litter. You are phenomenal. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. It means a lot to me. Now, down below, there are links for the products you see. Also for channel memberships, if you guys want to be a part. Channel members get early viewing on pretty much everything that I can. So guys, check that description. There's a lot of info down there. Thank you all for watching.